2 misses for Arellano. It was stopped from behind by one of the Chiefs.
Yes. That's a gamble kasi for a big to bring down the ball, that's a big gamble.
Ganda. Angat na angat eh. Torres still has the ball. Torres takes it to Justin with a spin, with a shot. Mintis lang doon, but Torres cleans up the mess. Wala ron ang tira ng mga taga-Benilde.
Oh no.
That's a top.
Sayang, last shot na dapat yun.
Scramble for loose ball. Benilde has the possession. 8 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Eusebio gives it underneath. 3 seconds remaining. Geronimo will fire. Abuto. And Geronimo gets the buzzer to end the third quarter. But there will be a review. That's a 3.
Way to end the third, no? Ganda.
And look at this. Binato na lang. Nitong si Geronimo. With 0.7 seconds remaining.
Ginamit pa yung board, no? Sinadya niya talaga yung boarding.
Ancheta. Lumipad. Itong depensa. A great block there from Hernal. Geronimo mag-isa rito all the way.
Told you. 62 all, 5 minutes to go.
Geronimo still has the leather. Gives it to Borromeo, stops. Hands off to Renzo Vieira from the top of the key. Mintis lang doon. And the ball ends with Geronimo. Geronimo asking for a pick kay Kapulong. Binigay naman. Geronimo still with the ball. Decides to pull that swinger! Ernest Geronimo!
That's a big shot from Geronimo.
Coach Chico Manabat asking who's gonna take the ball. And this time it's Ernest Geronimo. Apat na ang lamang na Arellano.